minute, what did I just say?
Hey guys, welcome back to 5 Fabulous Gals. It's me, Scarlett, on your Thursday spot. And today I will be giving you a little tour of my office, and I will be showing you some slimes. But first, let's go on the field trip around the office. And it will be very, very quick, so just pay attention. Or you could just slow the video down, because we want to get back to the point. So over here, you may not be able to see it. You may, because I don't really know what's going on. I have my computer, a mirror, some signs, some headphones up there. And behind these slimes are some other slimes that I may do a part 2 on. I don't know. You guys conspiracize in the comment section. And also behind this, right there, you may see it, you may not. Again, if you can't see things and I point them out, don't be mad at me in the comments. Or some like drawing supplies. I have a lot of drawing supplies. Some stress balls, some tchotchkes, and that stuff. Right here behind me is a little file holder, and these drawings are not mine. I am not going to be like, yeah, these are mine. I'm stealing them from my friend. Well, speaking of my friend, her name is C Peach on YouTube. So go subscribe to her and tell her that I sent you. So, yeah. Underneath it has like a few other drawing utensils. Behind me are some just tchotchkes, some makeup, drawing, more drawing supplies, a little bin, glasses case, spin art, other things. And then on the wall are some other drawing paper things. A sign, 2 drawings. The red one is mine because I tried to use my Gotcha Studios character. The other one is my friend's, a few other tchotchkes, blah 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 blah. And now let's get back to the point of the video, which is showing you my slimes. So we will be going to a camera change to show you these on my desk, and it's gonna kind of be like ASMR because there's like a few noises, but not many noises. So let's go see my slimes. So this is our first slime right here, and unfortunately it does not have a name. So that's why I'll be asking you guys to name this slime for me. And a bunch of other slimes don't have names either. So yeah, let's get to the point of this point of view. Okay, now let's get to our next slime. So this is our next slime called Gingerbread Crumble Slime. It's just like a normal slime, but I added a bunch of kind of like tan sand. Sorry. Okay, now for our next slime. Here's like a sparkly blue slime, and this one also does not have a name either, so don't forget to name this one in the comments down below. I'm not good at swirls either, so don't be rude in the comments. Okay, now for our next slime. Okay, so this is our next slime. It is like my favorite slime that I have. So hopefully you guys give it a good name. And it's supposed to be a butter slime, but it's not really good, so I'm going to spare you guys the cringiness. So I'm trying to be nice here. And here's a pink slime with minimal sand. Does not have a name either. And the sand does not fall out either, so yeah. And I'm just going to go quickly with the small slimes, because why do you need like an hour-long video just with the small slimes? This is a darker pink slime with no name. Half these slimes don't have names. I'm so sorry. So we have 2 more slimes, and I had another slime, but that's actually kind of really hard. So I can't really do that one right now, not until I make it hard. And this slime is called Cocoa Puff Slime, because the slime has become, like the actual slime part has become dark. And Cocoa Puffs do that to milk whenever you put it, so yeah. And I only have 1 more slime left, and this one does not have a name either. And that is all of my slimes. So don't forget to put the names for the slimes that do not have a name in the comments down below. And I'll see you all next week. Peace out, dude and dudettes.